Today's reasoning class is about direction. Okay, did you study anything about this?
No, not the eight
Yeah.
not the eight directions.
Yeah. Okay. So this topic is this gives you questions about the direction, and some questions will also be able to calculate distance. Okay, from which suppose we go in this direction from one point to another point, what is the distance between these 2 points? That type of questions will be also asked. Okay, so these are the 4 major directions: news, northeast, west, south, and there are 4 minor directions: northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. And also there are more means like in some questions there are some like what is this called in between them?
Between north and northwest.
Yeah. Northwest or northwest north. Okay, it is called as. This is also west northwest. Similarly here and here. This type of questions actually gives you angles. Okay, so northwest is supposed at 45 degrees. Then what will be at 25, 22 and 22 and half degrees? What will you have? This, right? So let's get to questions. The location of B is north to A and the location of C is east of A. So A is a common point, right? First take A. What? Okay. First point is A and B is north of A. The distances AB and AC. AB is 5 kilometers. This is B. Okay, and C is east of A. First, for any problems, you have to draw the directions for any problem. News. Okay. First, for any problem, you have to draw these directions. If northeast and northwest and others are required, you can draw them also. Okay. So what is going to AC is C is east of A. East means in this direction. C. Okay. What is this? 12 kilometers. So what is the distance between the locations B and C? Okay, this is a right angle triangle, right? You need to find the hypotenuse. Right? What will be the hypotenuse of this? 5 kilometers and 12 kilometers. 13 kilometers. How did you calculate this?
Using
Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, for Pythagoras theorem, 3, 4, 5 will be a group of group of numbers for a right angle triangle, and you have 12, 13, and 5 here, and you will also have 24, 7, and 25. Okay, these type of, if you have these numbers, you can guess the hypotenuse directly. For 3 and 4, you will have 5, 9, 16, right? 9 plus 16, 25. 25 square root 5. For 12 and 5, similar, 144 and 25 is 144 plus 25 is 169. So you will have 13. You understood, right? And for 24, what is the square? 576. 576. And 5 square is 25. Add them. Oh, sorry, not 5 square, 7 square. 7 square is 14. 7 square is 49. What will you get if you add them?
625.
What is 625 square root? 25. Okay. So these are some easy ones. If you get these numbers for right angle triangle and they ask for hypotenuse, you can directly remember this instead of calculating for the Pythagoras theorem formula, hypotenuse formula.
So every time the largest in a right angle triangle, the largest side will be hypotenuse.
Yeah.
So here you can see that the angle between north and east is 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Yes.
Angle between north and west 90 degrees.
90. Everything is 90.
North and south is 180.
North and south, yeah, 180. This completely it is 360 degrees. Okay, complete everything is like a circle 360 degrees. So, okay, we already got the answer, right? Okay, 13. So, you have this question in your printout, right? Directions and so, okay. I have given you this formulas, this the north northwest and west northwest. Okay. So a man walks down the back side of his house straight 25 meters, then turns to the right and walk 50 meters again. Then he turns towards left and again walks 25 meters. Okay. If his house faces to the east, okay, the house is given as, first let's draw our news. The house is facing towards east. So suppose this is the house, it is facing towards this, right? Towards, it is facing east. What did the question say? Backside of this house, 20 straight 25 meters. Suppose this point is A. Next point is B for 25 meters towards, okay, towards west. Then turns to the right. What is right from here? The house is facing this towards east. So if he is walking backside from his house, in which way he is walking now? Opposite of east is west, right? So he is walking towards west.
So usually he's walking towards right side from
No, a man walks down the backside of his house, right? Straight 25 meters.
So towards west.
Towards west. Okay, for 25 meters. Then turns to the right. If he walks from house to B, this point B, then how he is facing towards west, right? From west, what do you get at right point? If he turns right,
Towards north.
towards north. So it's a straight. How many? Right, and walks 50 meters. Okay. Suppose this point is C, 50 meters. Okay. Then he turns towards left and again walks 25 meters. From here, what is left?
Towards west.
Yeah. This point is D, and you can call this 25 meters. If his house faces to the east, what is the his direction from the starting point? What is the direction from AD? What is the direction AD?
So that is east. It was like east, west, north, and I think it is
Tell.
it is northwest.
Yeah, northwest. This is north. So this will be northwest, right? Okay. So a person travels 12 kilometers due north, then 15 kilometers due east. After that 19 kilometers due west, and then 15 kilometers due south. How far is he from the starting point? Okay, let's assume this is the starting point A. Okay. There are too many variables, right? So let's draw our northeast west. Due north 12 kilometers. 12. I am just writing 12. Okay. Then due east 15 kilometers. Then from here 19 kilometers due west. So is he traveling back on the same line?
No, sir, from that point he will take a left hand side towards north.
No. He didn't say west. Due west. He didn't say any left. He said due west.
He walked 15 kilometers due east.
Due east. We got to a point C. From here, what is west?
There, what is west?
From there, in which direction is west?
Is opposite.
Back again. So here they are saying 19 kilometers, right? Due west. So to a point D, this is 4 kilometers. Okay. 15 plus 4, 19 kilometers. Okay. Then given 15 kilometers due south. 15 kilometers E. What did they ask? How far is he from the straight line? Okay, what is the distance? AE is that they are asking. This is the question. So first let's draw a parallel line to DB. What is this? 4, right? What will this be? Suppose this is F, 12 kilometers. DF is 12 kilometers. So what will this be? EF 3 kilometers. Then what is AE? 5. Did we get our 5 kilometers? Okay. Just write this down. Okay, do. Yeah.
Due is he will be facing at a.
Here there is no left, right, no, straight or down, right? Just due north, due east. So we have to follow this. Okay. Only those directions we have to follow. If they say turn left, from our point of view, left is this. If we are facing like this, left is this. Okay. So if we are at point C, what is west to us? Due west. D, right?
Towards B and D.
Okay, write this down. And then you can practice again. You have understood, right? Okay, this is the last slide. So let's end our class here right now.